What are the steps involved in withdrawing money from a blockchain wallet to a bank account?
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about how to withdraw money from your blockchain wallet to your bank account. This is a process that might seem a bit tricky, but with a step-by-step guide, it's going to be a breeze.
What do you need before starting?
Before you start, you'll need an account with a cryptocurrency exchange that is connected to your bank account, your blockchain wallet details including the private key, sufficient cryptocurrency in your blockchain wallet to withdraw.
How to transfer from blockchain wallet to a cryptocurrency exchange.
To move your funds from your blockchain wallet to a cryptocurrency exchange, follow these steps. 1. Log into your blockchain wallet. 2. Navigate to the Send section or similar. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. 3. Enter the amount you wish to send. 4. You'll be asked to enter a receiving address. Here, put the deposit address from your cryptocurrency exchange account. Ensure that this address is correct, because cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. 5. After confirming all details, click on Send.
How to sell your cryptocurrency for your local currency in a cryptocurrency exchange.
Now you have to sell your cryptocurrency in exchange for your local currency. Here's how to do it. 1. Log in to your cryptocurrency exchange account. 2. Go to the trading or sell section of the platform. 3. Select the cryptocurrency you've transferred and sell it for your desired local currency. 4. After selling, your account balance in the exchange will reflect the amount in your local currency.
How to withdraw your local currency from the cryptocurrency exchange to your bank account.
Once you have your local currency in your cryptocurrency exchange account, you can withdraw it to your bank account. 1. Find the Withdraw or Cash Out option on your exchange platform. 2. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and select your linked bank account as the withdrawal destination. 3. Click on Withdraw or similar, and the amount will be transferred to your bank account. The time it takes for the money to reach your account will depend on the policies of your bank and the cryptocurrency exchange. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your blockchain wallet to your bank account. Always remember that while handling cryptocurrencies, you should be careful about the transaction details as they are irreversible. It's also important to consider the transaction fees and possible tax implications in your jurisdiction. I hope this video was helpful and has made your blockchain wallet experience even better. Happy trading!